even just put below, or in a Brazilian rainforest, and nobody would fucking know.
Oh yeah, exactly.
Unless they're a horticulturalist.
Yeah. So this is going to be 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Maybe.
Great. What a vista from here.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab is in the house. I was in the wild, and now we're just standing right in front of this slide, Kodak E100. Rainforest in BC that looks unreal. Moss stacked on moss. Ferns like antennas. You know, light is dripping off this cedar bark covered in moss. This is avatar level lush. Except it's not fantasy. It's right here. It's breathing, misting, it's alive. You know, I'm shooting this with the Horseman SW617, a true panoramic camera paired with the Tele Xenar 250mm Schneider lens. You know, that long glass compresses the forest into layers, like planes of greens folding into each other. So you feel the depth without leaving the ground. It's, you know, like every millimeter in this frame is earned. It's focused, you know, with the tripod, with the patience, and just nothing automatic, nothing is invented. You know, and slide, it's transparency. E6, that means that it's simple. You know, what I see is what I exposed, and what I exposed is what you see on the lightbox. There is no fix it later. There's no Photoshop, there's no filters, no beautifying, no smoothing, no generative anything, guys. You see what you get, and you get what you see. Straight from reality to film, then straight to your eyes. That's it, end of the story. Listen to the forest for a second. Can you hear it? Can you hear the water? Can you hear the faint wind in the canopy? You know, slide film holds that stillness without interrupting it. It doesn't ask for your trust. It brings your own proof. The color you're looking at is the color that touched the emulsion. The highlights are where the sun actually landed. The shadows are as dark as the forest kept them. Look at that. You know, there's no embellishment, no correction, just witness. That's it. That's why I love it. People ask why I insist on slide film, because photography to me, it's a record of reality as it is, not as I would like it to be. And definitely not as AI would like it to be. AI can fabricate, extrapolate, interpolate. It can mimic a look, 100%. But it cannot stand here and accumulate and be accountable to light, or accumulate any pile of slides like I am doing. This is, you know, AI cannot wait for fog to lift or fog to come. It cannot breathe cold air where the first rays graze the moss. You know, it cannot carry a 617 and 250 and walk back out soaked and smiling. It can only guess. Look at the moss here, guys. It's just crazy. You know, transparency on a lightbox is the opposite of a guess. It's a physical slice of time. It's a commitment burned into a silver halide. You know, hold it, tilt it, the lights, you know, slides through. You know, there's no interpretation layer between you and the scene. That is the point. There's no algorithm going on, nothing in the way, just the forest, the lens, the film, and the moment they agreed. This is the only true photography I care about, reality. Unnegotiated, uncorrected, unaltered. Rainforest doesn't need my imagination to be beautiful. It only needs my attention. I'm Fab, and this is Fabs in the Wild. Thanks for watching. Really watching. Actually looking. Really looking. Stay tuned.